Hello people, we're at John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park in Key Largo, Florida. Yes sirree, the Florida Keys. There's a dump station and here's the entry gate. You must know the code. I actually know the code because I'm camping here. And there's site number 1. So there's sites 1 through 47. They're kind of packed in like sardines. There's site number 2. There's a lot of amenities here. Site number 3. And 4. This is my site right here. Site 4. No, that's the one I'd choose if I had to choose one. Site 4 looks good.
Why, we got a nice one.
Oh yeah, ours is fine too, but that one I think our roof satellite would work. There's 6. Watch out for the gators.
Those are crocodiles.
7. There's 8. They have descriptions at the state park website. There's 9. Ten's a big one. I'd go for 10. Probably get satellite there. 12. 11, you definitely get satellite here. I seen which way they face. 12 would be good. For Dish Network, we're talking. 13. These would definitely get satellite. 14. They're hot ones though. Hot. Facing south. That's right. Look at ours. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret while we're passing here. 38, 39, and 40 all have concrete pads, and they're good ADA sites. There's the Starlink on 16. How come we went? Oh, that's 17. Okay. Big old fifth wheeler on 18. Here's a van and a Starlink on 19. Ooh, look at this one, hun. This is a big one, 20. Could have a gator behind it in the pond. How about it? And one thing I wasn't aware of, all these sites are sewered. So that is absolutely cool. Yep, had a problem there. Oh look, he's got one of the satellites you can see inside.
Way to go.
Oh, I hear ya. I got the one you can't see inside, but
It makes it a whole lot easier to get it right.
I hear ya. That is cool. What do you got here? Just turn around?
Resting on the ground.
Yep. Resting on the coral. I remember we were biking up here before, and there was something, I forget what it was, if it was a well or what it was over here. Not sure what this is. Oh, it's another comfort station. Let's go investigate picnic area. Wash your dishes if you want. Okay, a lot of rules there. Look, they got a book and DVD exchange. They even got a spare,
Pan.
yeah. I got a DVD, I could leave them. I think I'll do that. I have one I can spare. So that's pretty cool.
There's a bench over there.
Pays to walk around. Start a coral reef webcam.
Reef.
Yeah.
Not reef. That's okay. You missed the bench.
Check this truck out. Oh, I know. That was a well or something. I can't remember. We'll find it later. Look at the tent. Now there's what you need to keep the no-see-ums away. Looks like it folds up pretty good. Here's another cool one. Little Airstream. That's quite the camper. This one would work. 27, be kind of hot. They definitely had to dig something up here. Hopefully it wasn't because of a camper. So,
28.
yeah. What's the next one, 29? So I said 27 was pretty good. I think 27 and 28 would be all right for satellite. This, guys, you can see which way it's pointing. I love that.
Yeah,
His.
that's a cool one.
Yeah. Maybe I'll sell mine and get one you can see. There's an Ontario travel van. I wouldn't like this side at all. Be scrubbing the whole way in. 31. I guess you could sneak in there barely. I do have a tailgater.
We got 2 tailgaters.
I thought I sold one.
Yeah, we had 3.
Oh, I need to sell another one then.
No, we got one just in case one goes bad.
So here's the 3 best sites. 37. 38. Oh, look at that. A Tiffin. That sure is a nice camper. Okay, where to next? Let's go look at the comfort station, why not? See if anything interesting is up here. Yeah, the 38, 39, and 40. Yep, little curly tail gecko. He's camera shy.
Hey, dude.
There he
There's
went.
another.
Another curly tail. Okay. Oh, look at this. Did pay to come up here. $250 to wash or $350? Or is that $250 to dry? Yeah, $250 to dry, $350 to wash. This is cool. We need your help. What's that say? Lint and trash. Be a volunteer. Cool. Probably take me a couple pictures. Oh, look, they even got a pop machine. That's what we didn't get, water. We got to go out.
Water and we didn't get pop.
No. And we're thirsty.
I drink water and you drink pop. So.
And I'm thirsty. So, there's my 10-minute video. Back in here
This is kind
is where the staff lives. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know how many on the other side. Oh, look, here's the breakfast. Blue Heron Cafe. Nice.
of, you can walk around. There's a sidewalk all around it. 'Cause I don't know. 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 I
Okay.
They have ice cream too. And Pennekamp.
Yeah, that's in the other store. Okay, I'm going back to camp.